क्या कैसा?
Yes, sir.
Look at whiteboard. We are studying today. At first, let us know about this disease. This disease, which is known as the Tundu disease of wheat or Tundu of wheat, and this disease is also known as kya? Yellowing rot of wheat. This disease is caused by a bacterial pathogen, which is the bacterium, and a nematodal pathogen, which is known as the Angina trichis. So these two pathogens, these two pathogens are involved in the causing this disease, and these two pathogens include a bacterium, that is Corynebacterium trichis, which is also known as Clavibacter trichis, and a nematode, which is Angina trichis. Now look at the symptoms of the disease. What are the let us now know the symptoms of the disease. Just I am going to point out and to the symptoms of this disease. Look at the white first symptom. I have written here. Look at the whiteboard. Is the whiteboard visible to you?
Yes, sir. But पूरा नहीं आ रहा है. वो इस
आ
ब्लैक है और कम
रहा है? Below. First symptom of this disease is the first symptom of when this disease takes place. The infected plant exhibits the following.
और कुछ कीजिए ना, वो बहुत ज्यादा नजदीक है, जिससे बीच वाला दिख रहा है, बाकी सारा इधर उधर का नहीं दिख रहा.
अब दिख रहा
क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा,
है now?
ब्लर दिख रहा है।
फूल सर साइन भी कर रहा हूँ, फूल भी नहीं आ रहा,
दिख तो रहा है.
This
ब्लर
symptom.
आ रहा है।
The first symptom of this disease is the wrinkling of lower leaves. What I have written? If this disease is characterized by the various symptoms, and the first symptom of this disease is the wrinkling of lower leaves. I have shown here in the diagram. Wrinkling of lower leaf takes place. देखो, the leaves of the wheat, the lower leaves of the wheat undergoes the wrinkling. So the first symptom of this disease is the wrinkling of the lower leaves of the wheat plant. If the infection takes place in the wheat plant, the first symptom of this disease will be in the form of wrinkling of the leaf. The lower leaves present on the wheat plant will undergo wrinkling, and the leaves will get wrinkled. The second symptom I have written here, wrinkling of the lower leaves and curling. Curling, you can also say the twisting of the central leaves. In the diagram, these two have been shown here. Facing the wrinkling of the lower leaves, and this diagram shows twisting of the central leaves. The leaves undergoes, the leaves gets twisted. See the shown here. With the help of diagram, I look at this diagram. So that it or front of the plant.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी क्लियर. क्या बोलेंगे?
Central leaf, and these leaves are the lower leaf. So
Yes, sir.
the first symptom of this disease is the wrinkling of lower leaf and curling and twisting of the central leaf.
Central.
Second symptom of this disease. Look at the second symptom of this disease is the exudation of the bright yellow sticky substance. Yani, if this disease takes place, the plant will exudate. If this disease takes place, there will be exudation of bright yellow sticky substance which envelop the entire area.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा, क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा.
एक्सुडेशन हो रहा है, एक्सुडेशन ऑफ ब्राइट येलो स्टिकी
म्यूट करो ना अपना अपना साइड, बाहर से भी थोड़ी आवाज आ रही.
राइट म्यूट कर।
The third symptom of this disease is the distortion of the stem. The fourth symptom of this disease is the stunted growth of the infected plant. The fifth symptom of this disease is the transformation. The sixth symptom of this disease is the transformation of grains into small hard galls, and these galls contain the nematode. The seventh symptom of this on the stem and inflorescence. The eighth symptom is yellow saline trickle down and become The ninth symptom of this disease is the spike becomes curled and twisted. This and the kernel of the wheat is replaced by the total ball. These are the 10 symptoms of this disease, and I have shown here with the help of this diagram. Hello, Draxa. Yeah, Draxa.
Yes, yes.
Let again I am going to point out the symptoms one by one. What will happen if this disease takes place? The first symptom which appear on the leaf is the curling, is the curling, wrinkling and curling of the leaf. The lower leaf of the wheat plant will undergo wrinkling. The leaves will get wrinkled. Which leaves? The leaves present on the lower part of the plant of the wheat will undergo wrinkling, and the leaves present at the central part of the plant gets twisted. Curling का मतलब क्या? Curling का what is the meaning of curling, twisting? So this is this disease is characterized by the first symptom, characterized by various symptoms, but the first and the early symptom of this disease is the wrinkling of the lower leaves. You have to remember, keep in your mind that wrinkling of lower leaves and curling or twisting of the central leaf. The second symptom of this disease is that exudation, matlab release, exudation of sticky substance, sticky chemicals, which trickle down. Secretion, that is the exudation of a yellowish sticky chemical substance, and that chemical substance covers the trickle down the part from the part of secretion, and that chemical substance which is sticky become hard on the surface of the stem. So this is the second symptom. The third symptom of this disease I have written here, that there will be distortion of the stem. Leaves will get wrinkled and twisted, and the stem will also stem will become distorted. Distortion of a stem take place. Yani distort structure of the stem will be distorted. This is the third symptom. The fourth symptom of this disease is the absence of the seed formation. Generally, what happens if this disease take place? Generally, it has been seen that the seed setting does not take place. You know that seeds are generally not formed. And if the seeds are formed, the seeds are replaced with the nematodal gall. In place of the seed, you will find various spherical structure which are known as the gall, and the gall contains the pathogen nematodes and bacteria. Okay? So the fourth symptom, the next symptom is that I have shown the white. The will happen. The growth of the plant, proper growth of the plant is not taken. This disease takes place there will be a stunted growth of the plant, infected plant. What is the meaning of stunted? What is Draxa?
सर ग्रोथ छोटा होगा
Stunted, the stunting of the growth will take place.
यस सर
The
बताओ
stunted growth of the affected leaf, the proper growth of the plant will not take place, and that is known as the stunted growth. That is known as the stunted growth of the plant. What will happen? There will be no seed formation, the stem distortion, and the entire grain, the part of the plant body where grains are formed, gets converted into nematodal, hard, small spherical gall, and that gall contains the nematodes. Nematodes are the pathogen of this disease. So in place of जहाँ grain बनता है, grain will get replaced with the gall-like structure, and you will find the gall on the at the site where the grains are formed. I have shown here. I have shown the gall here. Look, this is the ear of the wheat where the grains are formed, and in place of grain, these small spherical gall-like structures are formed, and this gall contains the nematode. So these gall-like formations, the entire grains are replaced with the gall-like structure, and the gall contains the pathogen, which is the nematodes and bacteria. So these are the symptoms of we have symptoms of the disease. Now see the causal organism. What are the causal organism? The causal organism include a bacteria, which अब ये थोड़ा सा लेट अस सी द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ दिस कोरिने बैक्टीरियम. कोरिने बैक्टीरियम इज ए ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया. बैक्टीरिया में भी ग्राम
नेगेटिव है, ग्राम पॉजिटिव क्लियर नहीं आ रहा भाई.
1 मिनट
ग्राम
पहले
और
let me describe the pathogen. The pathogen Corynebacterium pathogen is a bacterium, and this bacterium is a gram negative bacterium, and this bacterium is a non-motile. This bacteria cannot move. The bacteria does not have the flagella or locomotory organ. So this bacteria is बैक्टीरिया का क्या कैरेक्टर है? इसके जो पैथोजन का बैक्टीरियल पैथोजन का क्या कैरेक्टर है? ये ग्राम निगेटिव होता है, ये नॉन मोटाइल है, ये प्लियोमॉर्फिक है. इसका दिस बैक्टीरिया इज प्लियोमॉर्फिक. दैट दिस बैक्टीरियम कैन चेंज इट्स शेप. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लियोमॉर्फिक? प्लियोमॉर्फिक, इफ यू फाइंड प्लियोमॉर्फिक, व्हाट इज सच प्लियोमॉर्फी इज डिफाइंड एज द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ चेंजिंग द शेप. अगर हम कहें कि दिस प्लियोमॉर्फिक